3, 2, 1.
I got you on camera, mister!
How you knew?
The official mister!
What, to let everybody know that you're like the rapist?
Fucking mister, dude.
Oh, look at that. And I still hit it.
Thanks, mister. Come on, get mister under pressure. You're being filmed, mister.
Very nice. All right.
Oh, shit. Best game ever. Oh, I just did a huge loser move. It looks like I'm losing the game. Look at mister, dude. Come on. Ah. You better be here. Loser, winner. Nothing.
So the next time you go camping, bring your... Oh God, I couldn't align you up any better.
Here we go. Oh shit.
You had that.
Getting annihilated by mister.
Here we are again.
The official mister. Getting annihilated.
Now what? Oh, look at the pressure.
Full sandwich, man. Oh, cheers to the mister, the OG. What a real piece of shit, man.
The beer, the food, the games were awesome. But best of all was catching up with a real good friend. It was a really fun evening. And by the way, I lost all the bowling games as well.
What's the Instagram page? Give me the Instagram page, mister.
It's Mr. the official Mr.
Mr. the official mister.
Yeah.
I wonder where us humans would be as species if we wouldn't create bonds, connections, or friendships. Most likely, we wouldn't go too far. If you think about it, it feels great knowing that we have each other. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Ride safe.